This video will explore meta descriptions. We'll delve into how to write compelling meta descriptions that improve your search engine optimization and click-through rates. Meta descriptions are a key element in attracting visitors from search engine results. Meta descriptions are HTML attributes that provide a concise summary of a web page's content. These summaries appear beneath the page title in search engine results. They help users quickly understand what your page is about. While meta descriptions aren't a direct ranking factor, they significantly influence click-through rates and user engagement. Here's an example of a basic meta description structure in HTML. You'll notice it uses the meta tag with the name attribute set to description, and then the content attribute to specify the text of the description. Let's discuss some best practices for writing effective meta descriptions. First, the optimal length is between 150 to 160 characters. This ensures that your description displays properly in search results without being cut off. Second, include relevant keywords that match user search intent. But avoid keyword stuffing. The description should still read naturally. Third, incorporate a clear call to action. This encourages users to click through to your page. Use action-oriented language. And finally, make sure every page has a unique meta description, and it is relevant to the page content. Do not use the same meta description on multiple pages. Let's compare a good meta description example against a bad one. The good example for an artisanal coffee bean page includes a clear value proposition, specific details, and an offer, and also has a compelling call to action. On the other hand, the bad example uses keyword stuffing, has no specific value proposition, and is repetitive and unprofessional. See how the good example clearly communicates value and encourages a click, while the bad example does not. It's important to consider meta description lengths. The optimal length is 150 to 160 characters. This length allows your description to display fully and provide adequate information. If the description is shorter than 120 characters, it might not be effective in conveying value. If a description is too long, that is greater than 160 characters, it will be truncated in search results, cutting off important information. Please note that character limits can slightly vary across different devices and search engines. So it's better to prioritize creating compelling, informative descriptions while staying within the general guidelines. Now let's discuss how to optimize meta descriptions. First, identify your target keywords. Research and select keywords that match user intent and your page content. Second, create compelling copy. Write engaging, action-oriented text that includes your value proposition and unique selling points. Third, add a call to action. Encourage users to click through to your page. And fourth, optimize the length. Ensure that your description fits within 150 to 160 characters. Here's a before and after example of a meta description optimization, showing you the transformation from a poorly written one to an optimized one. The optimized version is more concise, includes keywords, and has a call to action. Mobile optimization is key for meta descriptions. Mobile screens have shorter display widths, so keep descriptions concise. It's important to ensure your meta descriptions adapt across different screen sizes and resolutions. Also, focus on mobile user search intent. Mobile users often have different needs than desktop users. Here's a preview of how a couple of well-crafted meta descriptions may appear on a mobile screen. The descriptions are concise and provide key information up front. Here's a final checklist to make sure you've got everything covered. First, for technical requirements, stay within the 150 to 160 character limit, include your primary keyword naturally, use the proper HTML meta tag format, and ensure mobile responsiveness. Second, for content quality, write unique descriptions for each page, include a clear call to action, match search intent with page content, and highlight your unique value proposition. Here are a few recommended tools. Character counters will help track description length. SERP preview tools will help visualize how your descriptions will appear in search results. And keyword research tools will help you find relevant keywords. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.